Agrarian Reform and Finance.
Senate number 1388, an act abolishing the Credit Information Corporation, transferring its functions to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, repealing RA 9510, or the Credit
What was
Information
that?
Systems Act, Senator Villar M.
You saw
Refer
that?
to the Committee on Banks, Financial Institutions, and
Something.
Senate number 1389, an act institutionalizing the bamboo industry development in the Philippines and approving funds therefore,
What is
Senator
that?
Villar
Where
M.
does it come
Refer to the
from?
Committee on Trade,
Oh!
Commerce, and Entrepreneurship and Finance.
Senate number
What is
1390, an
that?
act establishing the Disability Support Fund for the empowerment, full participation, and inclusion of persons with disabilities.
Oh, it's a cockroach.
And approving funds therefore, Senator Villar M.
The Committees on Social Justice,
I can show you
Welfare, and Rural
because
Development
he's
and
naked.
Finance.
Senate number
Or
1391,
she's
an act
naked.
instituting the Magna Carta for daycare workers, providing funds therefore, Senator Villar M.
First, get your
Committees
shoes.
on Social Justice, Welfare, and Rural
Barefoot.
Development, Civil
Get your
Service,
shoes.
Government Organization, and Professional Regulation and Finance.
Senate number 1392, an act providing for protected geographical indications of local
Oh God.
cultural, national, and process of white products, process products, related products of handicraft or industry, Senator
No!
The Committees on Trade and Finance.
Oh my God, that.
1393,
Lala, kunin mo nga!
Alin? System of foreign administration of national nations or
May ipis kasi, may ipis kasi.
during disasters, calamities, crises, or emergencies.
I'm literally scared.
Refer to the Committees on
Ay, amor. Amoy tae. Baka kumakain si Lola.
Providing free dialysis treatment to indigent patients after VRN.
Refer to the Committees on
Looks like a giant cricket.
Social Justice and Finance.
Senate number 1395, an act defining and penalizing espionage and other offenses against national security, Senator VRN.
To the Committee on National Defense.
Senate number 1396, an act expanding the grounds for nullity of marriage, providing further protection to the parties to the marriage and its common children.
What is that flying around?
Code 209 of the Family Code of the Philippines and RA 1115.
Welcome. Cockroach.
And
That
imposing
is
penalties for
very...
violations thereof, Senator Rosivas.
To the Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality.
Where is it?
Senate number 1397, an act requiring the
Where is
declaration of
it?
the value of imported goods.
Pretend we're small, like the
And
cock.
prohibiting fraudulent alteration of carbon management,
Where is it?
of mating and survey bill, amended for the purpose RA 1086.
Cute. Camera 1.
Senate number 139,
Camera 2.
fees for the use of parking establishments.